Hello everyone, welcome to Capsule Concepts and Insights and YouTube channel for pharma students. This channel will let you prepare for various competitive exams like GPAT, NIPER, pharmacist exam, drug inspector exam, etc. If you are a new visitor, please subscribe and click the bell icon. This channel also provides pharma news every day in evening. Coming to today's topic, there is list of drugs that are withdrawn because of toxicity. These drugs must be remembered because there is a chance for asking them in GPAT. They have already been asked several times. Coming to the first one, estimazole. This drug is withdrawn in 1998 due to interactions mainly with the grapefruit juice. The next drug is benoxaprofen. It was withdrawn in 1982 because as it causes serious liver damage in patients. Coming to the next drug, rofecoxib, this was withdrawn due to cardiovascular effects in patients using it. The next drug is jomipirac. This drug causes anaphylaxis and adverse reaction. It was withdrawn in 1983. The next drug is triazolam. As its usage causes psychiatric disorders, it was withdrawn from the market in 1991. Coming to the next drug, jamilidine, it causes hypersensitivity, so it was withdrawn in 1983. Next drug is troglitazone. It causes hepatic disorders as adverse reaction, so it was withdrawn in 1997. The next drug is tolcapone. This drug causes hepatotoxicity in patients using it, so it was withdrawn in 1998. And pterodulin. This drug causes cardiac arrhythmia, so it was withdrawn in 1991. Coming to the next drug, tamofloxacin. This drug was withdrawn as it causes various ADRs in 1992. Next one is suprofen. This drug causes renal impairment, so it was withdrawn in 1987. The next drug is nascapine. Because of gene toxicity, it was withdrawn. Next, seretindole. This drug was withdrawn as it causes cardiac arrhythmia in 1998. Coming to the next drug, remoxapride. This drug causes aplastic anemia. This is the adverse effect, so it was withdrawn in 1994. The next drug is nomifensin. It causes hemolytic anemia, so it was withdrawn in 1986. The next drug is mibifredil. This drug causes severe drug interaction, so it was withdrawn in 1998. And the next one is metipranolol. This causes anterior uveitis, so it was withdrawn in 1990. Coming to the next drugs, centoxin. This was withdrawn due to increased mortality in 1993. Serivastatin. This was withdrawn due to muscle breakdown it causes in 2001. Next, cleoquinol. This causes optic neuropathy, so it was withdrawn in 1975. The next drugs, dexfenfluramine and fenfluramine, due to cardiac valve abnormality, was withdrawn from the market. The next drugs are fluoxetine. Due to increased mortality, it was withdrawn in 1993. Indoprofen, due to extreme GI bleeding and perforations, it was withdrawn in 1984. Thank you for watching. And these list of drugs are very important for GPAT preparation and even NIPER preparation. So note them on a paper and practice them thoroughly. These will be definitely asked in GPAT, and they are asked several times. You can check the previous papers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell icon.